ho! Merry Christmas, one and all! December is a time of magic and fun, but most importantly of all for the gardener, it's a time to plan and get ready for the new growing season. The clop of hooves and the whiz of Santa's sleigh will get us all in the mood for the festive month. Now it's time to unwrap our latest Christmas Advent Calendar present.
Today it's Direct Bulbs. Direct Bulbs is a family business with over 20 years of experience in the horticulture industry and deals quickly with your queries. Through directbulbs.co.uk website, a full range of flowers and vegetable bulbs can be ordered. Check out special offers on autumn-planted bulbs, such as daffodils. Listeners to worldradiogardening.com can now receive a 15% discount on orders by using the code WGR15 at checkout.
There'll be another Advent Calendar present tomorrow, only on worldradiogardening.com. Come on, Rudolph, let's polish up your red nose and get ready to deliver those presents.